Hi, in this short video I will show you how to dismantle the Keystation 88 and fix the problem of low velocity. To dismantle keyboard you need to remove all of the screws on back of the unit except this row. Just all deep and all top and bottom. Then you will need to pick up the face part of the keyboard and detach two flex cable, the smaller one, just like that, and remove bigger flex cable to detach the front part of the keyboard. Now you have access to the keybed, and all you need to fix the problem, you need the tweezers to be able to pick up the spring. By doing it like that, you get inside of the spring just with the small power. You will be able to get it out of the key, and then by pushing the tweezers inside and pushing with your finger up the key, you will be able to pick the key out of the keybed. The problem of low velocity lies over here in two legs which presses the sensor inside of the key, and it presses with two different moments of time, which then the process on the keyboard measure and calculates the velocity of the press. And to eliminate the problem of low velocity, you just need the small amount of tape, thicker one. You just place it on top of the two legs and create a kind of a bridge. You may need to place 1, 2 or even 3 layers of tape on top of it and let it fit inside of this key. Or the other way is to shorten it a little bit, just slightly, these two teeth which creates the base of the key, and the key is standing on that two teeth. Be very gentle with these two teeth, and by placing these two by covering with the tape bridge, you will be able to fix the problem of low velocity. How to reassemble the key? You just deepen it inside by placing this teeth inside of that window, and just like that, and holding like that, you press on that teeth and it sits well inside. Then you charge the spring and let the key work well. And now I will show you how to test the unit and reassemble it. Just place your front cover and connect this flex cable. Then almost close the upper part, and just by reaching inside with two fingers connect two short flex cables. That's it. Now your keyboard is almost assembled and you can connect it to your PC with USB jack, just like that. switching it on, you will be able to see the changing octaves and modifiers with advanced key preset. Now your keyboard may play well because you fixed the velocity issue just shortly. Thanks for subscribing and see you in the next video.